Imagine the heat of the fire of Jahannam. Jibril alayhi salam comes frightened to Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam sees Jibril so frightened. Oh Jibril, what had happened? What has frightened you? He said, Oh Rasulullah, Allah Ta'ala had intensified the fire of Jahannam. Allah had intensified the fire of Jahannam. It's being refueled. For 1,000 years Allah Ta'ala fueled the fire. It was red, it became white. Allah Ta'ala refueled it for 1,000 years. It became dark, pitch black. There's no light in Jahannam. Total darkness. The serpents of Jahannam, the scorpions of Jahannam is the size of a mule. In one hadith is mentioned. Size of a mule. Today we see a little scorpion, we run from it. We see a little snake, we see a dream of a snake, we get frightened. This is reality. And the person will be worried, but by then it will be too late. People of Jahannam will ask, I wish I had more time. I'm stuck between a mountain and a rock. On one side, people have to go to work also. And on the other side, we have to save ourselves from the fire of Jahannam also.